Hey guys, in this video we're gonna check out a 3-in-1 charger for Apple products. So let's go. Hey guys, my name is Fahim and welcome to FahimTech. Hey guys, in this video I will unbox a 3-in-1 charger for a iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods. So let's unbox it and see what does it come with. Guys, so I ordered this on Amazon, so if you wanna buy it, I'm gonna put a link down below. So this exact model just costs $10, but if you wanna use or renew it, it's gonna cost you $6 to $7.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
Opening the box, this is what it looked like. So yeah, there is a bubble wrap, and now this is the thing. It's a 3-in-1 charging case, so it charges your iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch. So let's just open it up. So inside the box there is only one thing. Guys, if you spend like a 16 or $7, you're gonna get this and a AirPod case with it. Guys, I'm gonna put that link also in the description. So I already have a AirPod case, so that's why I didn't get that. So there's a manual, and in the packet there you go. So as you can see, guys, so there's a three colors. So there's black, white and blue. So I got the black one because that matches my setup right over here. So so now I just plug in all the cables. Guys, so now I'm gonna show you how to charge it by one. So you need all the cables, so it doesn't come with any cable. So that's why, as you can see, my Apple Watch start charging next to my iPhone, and I'm gonna put that right there. Guys, so sorry for this bad angle, but as you can see now my iPhone is start charging. So if you get this, this will not make a mess. So that's why I really like it. Guys, now I'm gonna just put in the AirPods. Guys, I have a case on, so that's why it's like that. As you can see now, the AirPods is start charging. So this is really cool. So this does not make any mess. As you can see, all of them are charging at the same time. So that's why if you want to buy this exact model, the links will be in the description below. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys see you guys in the next one. Until then, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and watch my more content.